Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you this delicious pumpkin recipe. I made it in a vegetarian version, but you can go ahead and do it with meat as well. I think both would be very delicious. So if you want to see how to make this, then keep on watching. You want to start out by cutting down your onion. You want to heat up some oil in a pan, and then you want to fry your onions for a minute or two. Meanwhile, you want to go ahead and cut down your pumpkin as well. You want to make sure that you cut it into very small squares so that it actually cooks through. So here you can see the size that I cut it to. Then you want to go ahead and add the meat or the fake meat as I used to the onions. And you want to start breaking that up. And because this is soy, this is a lot more sticky than regular meat would be. So you really have to work to get it into smaller pieces. Then you want to add salt, pepper, some curry powder, as well as some chili flakes. And I also added some spices to make it taste more like meat and some smoked salt. And you wanna cook that until it is done. Then you wanna go ahead and add some tomato paste and just let that fry as well for about a minute or two. Then you want to go ahead and add your vegetable stock. Now you're ready to add in the pumpkin as well. Then you want to let that sit on medium heat for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, you can go ahead and cut down the mozzarella cheese into thin slices. And as you can see, this is looking really nice. So you want to go ahead and add in your gnocchi now. Give that a good mix. You can turn off the heat now. You can add in the garlic and the sour cream or creme fraiche, whatever you have. Make sure to mix it all really well so it's completely combined. Then you can pour it into your casserole dish and make sure you distribute everything evenly. You can top it off with the mozzarella cheese, and then you want to bake with 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. And I must say, I really like the finished result. I think it's very delicious and perfect for the season. So I hope you give this a try and that you enjoy it. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!